Come on, come on. Yep. Let's go. Bonito magnet, man. Ooh. And that's it. Oh, that was a miss. Yep. Very nice. Let's go. There we are. It is cold. It's windy. It's too early. I really wasn't planning to go fishing, but here we are. Somehow forced myself to wake up. Let's get packing. Let's get down there. Egging rod in case we want to chase some squid. We're just gonna set it up now. Get that up. We'll just leave it like this. Pair that with a twin power 6000 PE2. There we are. Super tight. And we'll get check our charger, GoPro batteries. Tighten this just like this. We'll need shoes, and we'll need our cleats. Nice, beautiful. STF. All right, live vest. Just realized that I forgot my squid jigs, so I had to go up and get them. Besides that, we're pretty much good to go. For my medium, I'm using my PE2 on my twin power 6000, and for squidding, egging, I'm going to be using Shimano Vanford size 250 on a PE 0.8 here, so slightly heavier, 16-pound line. Pairing the squidding reel with a NS Black Hole, a 9'2" rod. It's egging rod, really good rod, especially for rock fishing. And the Shimano Twin Power is paired with a Daiwa Sea Jigger heavy. It is I think up to 15 kg, so just a really good rod for a PE2, which is about 33 pound that I'm running. Now we have a lot more to go all the way down, but we're almost there. Alrighty, it seems to be okay over there. Trying that side over there, especially since there's some boys there, so you know, God forbid and something happens, at least there's some people there that can help you. So there's some people here fishing. I'm gonna take the high ground to put my gear, so just over here should be okay. And like this, well, for now we're just gonna try the marksman, and obviously I'm gonna also try the Vortex by STF 40 gram marksman. Let's set up our first rod and get this through. We'll get this paired up with our marksman really quickly. Alrighty, our first setup is ready. Set up my egging rod in case we want to go for some squid. Get this open, get it all the way through. We'll go with a slightly bigger one. Just a uni knot for this one, just like this. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. That's it. Just because I'm not sure and not familiar with this spot for squidding, so I'm not going to go with a super expensive one. I'm probably going to go with maybe this one, just a nice natural color for now. Clip this in, and we're going to start jigging first, just having a look how the metal works here, and then we'll maybe do some egging. All right, first cast, just right here. Come on, come on, come on. Bonito. Nice.
Oh. fucking thing.
Oh, miss, no, miss. Let's go. Oh, good one. Good body. Oh. Buddy. There you are. Stay there. Hold your line. Have a feel. When it gets tight, that's when it's dropping, 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 dropping. You don't want it to hit the bottom, but around halfway is good. And you do the same thing. You reel, open your bail, have a feel, getting tighter, 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 and reel. And that's all you do till you catch one. And that's it. Oh, that was a miss. Yep, very nice, just like that. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Thinking speed. Oh. That's barely hooked, man. That's really cool. There we go. Join your friend. Wow. I'm not gonna throw it too far, maybe just like there. On, come on, come on, yep. Small one. Small one, but still a good one. Let's go, baby. Come here. Oh, don't go to the rocks. There we go. Ah, tiny one. Nah, this one going back. Too small. Timing.
Oh, shit, shit.
Hey, I got it. It's out. It's out. Is it gone or is it on? Go, go. Oh, go. We'll get this on video. This. Oh, that's crazy. Ah, baby one. Oh my God. We're gonna go. Love how far this flies. Alrighty, I'm gonna go with the 30-gram STF Vortex. A really good lure by my good friend STF. Gotta hang it just from here. Let's go, guys, on the STF Vortex. This one is nice. And it's on a smaller jig. Wow, it's a good size bunny. Oh, don't go there. Don't go there. Come this way. Yep, come this way. Ah, the girl. There we are. Wow. Let's go. Oh, let's run away from this wave. On the STF Vortex 30-gram. These jigs are literally bonito killers. There we are. Legendary jig. You can get these from Sark's Total Fishing. If you guys want a good bonito killing metal, this is the one to go. Oh my God. I missed it on the GoPro, but I got drenched. Rogue wave came out of nowhere and just completely drenched all of me, my reel, my GoPro. Ridiculous. I'm gonna use some water and wash everything down, including the GoPro. Wow. What's going on today, man? Should have stayed in my warm bed, eh? Let's go. Good strike. Good strike. but small one. Yeah, but a good one. Ah, came off. Came off. Wow. As I said, guys, this thing is a bloody bonito magnet, man. Wow, that's crazy. Go! Yeah! Let's go! Get this! Come on! Don't tell me it came off! Ah! Nice! Good strike. Oh, really good strike. That's after letting it drop all the way to the bottom. Just reeling in. I think maybe still medium. Small maybe, but it's good. Better than nothing, exactly. Alrighty. Let's go. Ah, oh, there it is. Another one bites the dust. Wow. Let's go, let's go. There. Yep. There we are. Let's go. That was, oh, did it? No, it's still on. That was fun. That was awesome. Oh wow. Oh wow. I don't know, is it big, is it small? It's fighting funny. It's fighting really funny. Oh, it's hooked from that's crazy. Alright guys, I'm gonna try squidding a little bit. Size 4 Yamashita, natural green. We'll just give it a go. See if something hits. Wow. That was a rough one. See if something hits, and if it does, then we'll keep going. If not, we'll get back to jigging. This side's getting more rough, so I'm thinking to switch back to the other side, even though it's windy, but it'll be safer. That's our maybe 10th cast now. I think this will be the last cast. I'm just having a feel. It's just, it doesn't feel right to squid right now. It's just too rough. Good, yeah, squid on. Wow. It's not bad. I was gonna take a break, but that's good. Yeah, it's still good. Got us a little squiddy. Why not? Oh wow, nice little baby squid. Every time I say last cast on something, I always get a hit. So I might start just saying last cast on every cast. Hopefully we start catching. Alright guys, the spot's getting too dangerous now. It's just not worth it anymore. We've got, I think, 6 bonitos. We're gonna be happy with them. We're just gonna take all of them home and that's it. Tighten, there we go. Get this in, we'll pack everything in, then we'll head to the next location. Okay, our bag's ready. Let's pack our bunnies that we've bled. 1, 2, 4, 5. Surely I had a 6th one. Yeah, there's nothing. Yeah, there it is. 6th one. Alrighty. Whew. And there we are. So we've got them double bagged, nice and ready to go. We'll take our rods and we'll head out of here. to the next location. Just like that. Alrighty, we'll take this. Yeah, just like that. Alrighty, let's walk out of here. Crossing this is gonna be a bit of a trouble, so it's gonna be annoying, but it's just what it is. It's the time that I decided to get out of here, so we're just gonna have to walk it nice and slow. Just have a look at where are the rocks that's available for us to step on. See, like here it's okay, but going out of here we can't, so we're gonna have to cross up. To do this, we'll need to be super quick steps. I'm gonna need to grab these here, grab this right there, just like so, and then leg here, grab here, use the rod to kind of stand on and lift up, just like that. We're out of here. Oh, bit of a mission, but it was okay. Alrighty, let's go here for a bit, have a couple of cracks with those boys. Alrighty, we made it. We'll put our stuff here and then we'll have a crack quickly. Maybe here, should be okay. To open like this, we'll leave our squidding rod right here, and I'm gonna swap the battery for the GoPro, and then we'll have a crack. We'll have just a couple of cracks, and if it's no good, we're just gonna bounce. Alright, last cast. Just one more here, one more, come on. Woo. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a day. There's nothing, and there's no point going over and over, wasting time for no reason. We've got what we came for, we got a couple of fish. I'm pretty happy about that. So that's it, man. That is it. Let's just get this in. Let's gut our fish quickly, give them a nice clean. So we bled them, but we did not gut them, all because moi forgot to clean them. Cuts just like that, all the way straight, all the way. So we're just giving it away. There we go. We might have us some nigiri when we get to the car. I'm hungry, so I might torch them up and just eat them as nigiri, or as torched bonito, maybe. All of them out with the guts, just like that, nice and clean. Done. Just let the salt water wash it up, pull them out, throw them out, throwing them to the seagulls, and they're going hard on them. And throw them to those gulls. Alrighty, now goes back in our bag. 3, 4, and 5. Just like that. Give our hand a bit of a wash, little rinse here, and clean it with some fresh water so it doesn't rust up. Right, if possible, I'll just do this. And well, there we are. Okay, let's wear this. There we are. Our bonitos. There they are. And we'll start walking up. Honestly, a really good session. We had a lot of hits, a lot of misses. Really rough, so definitely not coming back if it's this rough. It's just not worth all the trouble. And at the end of the day, you're going fishing to have fun, to get a change of atmosphere and to relax a little bit. For me, having to worry and watch my back all the time for the waves and just all these really strong swells, to me it's just more headache than what it's worth. So yeah, definitely gonna check the swell more for next time. I don't want to be here anything over 2 meters, probably even 1.7 max, depends on where it's coming from. We got our bunnies right here, all around a good day. Almost out of here. Hop. Alrighty, and we're basically out. Ooh. Wow. We're gonna need to go wash our rods and our reels and those two other lures. We're gonna take our bonitos, our little squid, we'll put them in the esky and we'll go wash everything up. Nothing fancy, just a 25 liter from Kmart. Keeps everything nice and neat, and it's usually enough for my type of fishing, but when I do catch kingfish, I do find it hard to fit one legal kingy in there, so it's okay. Maybe one day I'll upgrade. Alrighty, we're gonna take our shoe, extra lure, our 2 rods. We're gonna go give them a wash. I'm just gonna open the tap on these for now, just to get them nice and wet and washed properly. Don't miss any guide. Do this as much as possible. All my lures here, and just let them also soak up in that fresh water. Do each bail, don't forget these. Yep. All right, now we head back to the car. Goes right in here. There we are. Get this out. That's fine. But in terms of a really good, just nice dry all around. There we are. We want side here too, and just around really. I'm gonna get that out, and that's it. Put this back in and all the way. Just make sure that it's fine. But, they do get water in, so there's a little bit of water too. So you need to open. That's it. Gonna go park somewhere a little closer to a bench. We're gonna make some torched nigiri without the rice and just eat it. Let's drive. Alrighty. My bro STF cutting board. I'll also have a look at some spices. Okay, we've got olive oil spray. That's good. Pepper. Do we have salt? Okay, I found salt. That's all we're gonna take. Oh, never mind. Found some chopsticks. This will work now. I'll chuck all of these things in. Close this up. Yeah, just barely. Let's take this and walk. We'll probably do the squid also. All right, so we just pull it all out just like so. I'm gonna only eat the head this time. Throw that in, really. With your fingers, just get everything out just like so. I'm gonna grab the wings and pull them out. Do this. Also cut this open just like so. Get rid of everything else that's in there. I'm just gonna wash this so that I can use it to marinate the squid and the fish. I've had the STF knife since it first came out, still just as sharp as ever, but I am going to be getting the newer one. Apparently it's really good, so I'm gonna get that as soon as it comes out. That's our squid. Now let's fillet this. What I like to do is go down here just like so, and then slowly let my knife do the work just like that. I haven't sharpened this knife in forever, but if you guys look, super sharp. All right, now we need to get rid of the skin. For the skin, what I like to do is I like to grab the bottom just like so, make a little thing, I guess, with my hand, and just slowly that. Let your knife do the work. I'm not, you know, trying to be Gordon Ramsay, but trying to feed myself something nice. Cut the middle just like that. The middle, just olive oil, a lot of salt, and put it in the bag. Flip it around a little. There you go. Clean out your knife. Okay, let's get cooking. You can get this torch, comes with this from Bunnings. It's open, that's it. It just opens up really easily. I think that I'm gonna try, grab us a piece. There we are. Just torch it up a little. Yeah, it's good. It's not bad. It's kind of like your own all-you-can-eat barbecue, but I just hope that the chopsticks will last. I like that the chopsticks are giving it that like charcoal flavor. My very own shish kebab. Tendon isn't. Give it a try. Oh yeah, no doubt. Wow. To the car so we can go home. Packed everything in there just like that, and we take it. Ugh. Wow. Oh. Beautiful day, caught some nice fish. Only the one squid, we still ate it. First time improvising, making, you know, this type of food. Usually I'll make nigiri, I'll have them laid out on something. I was gonna cook when I go home, but I got too hungry. I haven't eaten anything, so this was a really good feed. With that in mind, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.